Unraveling the mystery. Throw in the towel. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, sports commentaries, or even in everyday conversations. The phrase is, throw in the towel. Let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Stay tuned to master this interesting expression. Throw in the towel is an idiom that means to give up, admit defeat, or concede failure in a competition or other endeavor. When someone throws in the towel, they are signaling that they cannot continue or choose not to persist in a challenging situation. It's a way of acknowledging that it's better to stop trying rather than continue to face possible failure or defeat. The phrase, throw in the towel, has its roots in boxing. During a boxing match, if a fighter is unable to continue or if their trainer believes they should not continue due to the risk of serious injury, the trainer will throw a towel into the ring to signal surrender. This act tells the referee and the audience that the fighter cannot continue, effectively ending the match. The use of a towel in this context dates back to the early 20th century, and over time, the phrase has been adopted into everyday language to signify giving up in any situation, not just boxing. Using throw in the towel in everyday conversation is quite straightforward. It can be used both literally, in the context of sports or competitions, and figuratively, in various situations where someone decides to stop trying because continuing would be too difficult or pointless. Here are a few examples. After hours of trying to solve the problem, I decided to throw in the towel and ask for help. Despite their initial enthusiasm, the team threw in the towel when they realized the project's goals were unachievable. He never throws in the towel, no matter how tough the situation gets, which is why everyone admires him. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your ability to express the concept of giving up without repeating the same idiom. Here are a few: give up, wave the white flag, surrender, admit defeat, concede. These phrases can be used interchangeably with throw in the towel, depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning, origins, and uses of the phrase, throw in the towel. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to add flavor to your conversations and understand the cultural nuances of the English language. Don't throw in the towel on your language learning journey. Every new phrase you learn is a step towards fluency. See you in the next video.